Hi, I'm Isabel, and this is Joseph. Today, we're going to try to feed a pepper to a chicken. So far, all attempts have failed except mine. Mine, they eat it, but nothing has happened. From all sources, they said things happen, but that has not happened. So we are hoping that this time it will. And our only hope for that is if we get proof. So we are going inside their pen. They don't know we're here. So we can locate them. So we can get in. Sorry if we're a little quiet now, but we have to. Gently, quietly, gently, quietly. Okay, I shall go in the other side to see what happens. If we're lucky, it shall eat it. So I'm going in. It's way back there. I think they are going in. The pepper is nowhere to be in sight. Could it have fell?
I see the pepper. I grab the pepper. I throw it.
Joseph, there's a chicken above your head! Mission failed. The chicken have not yet begun to eat it.
This is an ultimate fail from the Ultimate Fail channel.
Yes, but this is not the ultimate fail we wanted. Sorry, we could view us that